In this video, we are going to write a Python program to understand how Python manages PEMDAS. In other words, how Python manages the order of operations in basic maths. So the steps involved would be, we will look at a basic arithmetic operations and try to see how Python evaluates the arithmetic operations, and from there we learn how to manage the PEMDAS in Python. Let's get started. The first step would be, we'll write our goal. So this program is to perform PEMDAS, or say order of operations in maths for Python. What is going to be our input? Let's say our input is basic maths operations, and then our output would be output based on PEMDAS. So parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, divisions and other things. Let's take a basic operation. We can say a variable 1 equal to, let's say 6 plus 7 multiplied by 9 plus 199 minus 2 22 multiply by 10 plus 5. Now we have just written a basic maths operations and try to see what could be happening. So here, if we look at this, what could be the result? We can just say print variable. That would be the understanding. But how does the Python does? The Python is following exactly how the PEMDAS is. So first is the multiplication, followed by is the division. So if we can understand this, it's going to be 6 plus, it's going to first apply the multiplication of it. So we can say, so it's going to be 63, then it is 199. So then you have 222 multiplied by 10. So that is what is going to do. So 199 minus 222, 0 plus 5, and then it is going to do addition and subtraction. So if we take a example of the calculator, is going to do 6 plus 7 multiplied by 9 plus 199 minus 2220 plus 5. So minus 1899. Let's see if this is printing the same thing. We can just call it f equal to the variable equal to, and we have to do the brackets to print the variable, and we'll see what is output. We just have to make sure that single quotes, and then it's 1947. So something went wrong over here. We can see it is 1899 because the way this addition is done and this addition is done is separate, and the reason for that is we started with 6 and we did plus 7 multiplied by 9, which is wrong because we want to do this first, and this is the output based on this. So if we replace it, 6 plus, let's say clear everything, 6 plus is 63 plus 199 minus 2220 plus 5. So that is the correct output. This is what is the basic how Python has executed. Now what if we wanted to do 6 plus 7 first. Now this can be another example. So we will take the same operations and then we'll say variable 2, and we want to do 6 plus 7 first. So here we will apply the PEMDAS. So we can use parenthesis to enforce or to tell Python that I want 6 plus 7 to be done first, and then we can say multiply by 9, and then if we want to do 10 plus 5 and 10, then it would execute accordingly. So I am just going to copy paste the same variable and I am going to say variable 2. So here say variable 2 equal to, what would be the output? The output is first 6 plus 7 is 13 multiply by 9 plus 199 minus 222 multiply by 15, because that is the, so here we can just understand in a way that this is where the parentheses are coming from. And now if we do another step followed by this is, we can clear this out. 13 multiply by 9 equal to 117 plus 199 minus 222 multiply by 15, that is 33303, 333 and now if we do the final addition, plus 199 minus 3330, we are expecting variable 2 to be 3014. Let's run it. 3014. So this is how Python does the PEMDAS. It follows the same logic of PEMDAS. You have multiple variables and you want to do certain operation first, then you apply parentheses and then you follow the PEMDAS equation. Thank you.